Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's May. I'm praying to God.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back on the center console. Like I say, I took the factory console, made cup holders, redesigned it, refaced the top, put cup holders in the back. It's giving you a side view right now, just glassing it up. As you can see, it's gonna come down at an angle in the back. So today, while I got some sunlight out here, I'm gonna go ahead and glass, lock it up, sand it down, and I'll be back. Like I say, this is the side view where we at right now. You see that resin sticking good, the cup even holding on. That's the shipped part right there. But we'll be back, get this thing all locked up, and I'll bring them back. See the factory and just built on it. Dope. Those customs. We'll be back. Locking it up. Got the plexiglass so it'll bleed through that fine line. Just working. We got plexiglass in there that's gonna light up blue. Diamond stitch on top, diamond stitch flow. Side of the console blue, side panels white. K5 took the old console, fiberglassed it up, gave it a new look. Cup holders. Put that lid on there so it opens up. So what I did, I kind of made these kind of hang out a little further, as you can see. And the reason is so you put your arm angling in it this way, and the passenger arm angling over there. Boone's Customs. Hit that like and subscribe button. Share if you think somebody needs to see this work. Like I say, if you got any questions or whatnot, feel free to reach out. I talk. I ain't gonna keep all the secrets. I'm gonna help you guys out. That's what I'm here for. And to build your cars. Ooh, look at that fiberglass work. She looking good. She ugly right now, but she gonna look so pretty and sexy. You know, updated with the gadgets. Put a USB right here for the phone. I might put one here for the passenger, one for the driver. And I'm gonna put the switches right here to control everything. All right, there we go.
is, I gotta go get it. They say they let us. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play with my.